So with this playbook and its forces, any process, any activity can be delegatable. Correct, right? Step by step, any activity can be delegatable. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, friends, respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct, right? Now, I will ask a small question. Morning to evening, how many activities you are doing? Hardly 20 or 30 activities you are doing every day. In that most common everyday what activities you are doing? Everyday what activities you are doing? These activities can be delegatable. If it is the delegatable, start preparing a playbook. Start preparing a playbook. Then with that playbook, happily you can delegate that activity to someone. If you start delegating step by step, every activity what you are doing, automatically your freedom by default is going to be increases day to day. You will have more free time to concentrate on higher level activities so that your growth will become exponential because you are not required to do lower level activities. Wow, what a wonderful concept, friends. Really, it's the most connected point. Next, moreover, what you can do is the process document is there, and the second one is the cadence and the checklist. Whatever you prepared, okay, give this as the reference. Ask the person who is going to do your activity to prepare on their own, because that's very important. If they are not preparing on their own, if they are depending on you, new doubts may be a chance of rising. That's why what you can do, ask, can you please prepare? Okay, this is the activity, this is the process I prepared. You can convert into your own style. If you have any doubt, please let me know. While preparing the process document, they may get some doubts. Automatically, their doubts by default will be clarified. That's why who is the responsible to prepare? Okay, this process document, all these, the person who is going to do that activity, he is the responsible to prepare. So that you will get some free time from that also. Okay, one time we are going to prepare, next time onwards, the same process with the small modifications is going to be delegated for the next level person. So what a wonderful concept. The most valuable connected point for me, man. Playbook, and it's a 4 C's. Playbook, and it's a 4 C's. Remember this one.